What's up, y'all? Welcome to tonight's live stream. I'm him. Today is, or tonight, I guess, it's December 12th. It's Thursday. That means tomorrow is Friday the 13th. That's, it's a bad omen in some parts. Some people believe in that kind of stuff. For whatever reason, I'm unable to get my stream to load. So I don't know if it's working or not. All right. It is working. Oh, let me turn down volume on my iPad. All right, I am working late because I don't know what else to do. It's cold outside. It's not like I can go out and enjoy myself outside. I can go outside. I just want to enjoy it because it's too cold. Yo, what's up, Zanny? I'm curious. Zanny, is this Z Zanny Memorial area? Rice Military area? Or are you another Zanny? Man, I need to go to the gym. I haven't gone to the gym this week. I've been jump roping though. I've been doing that at least. Let me share my screen. Let me make sure there's nothing on my screen that I don't want to share. Let me close my one-on-one docs and my environment. Okay. Oh shit. All right, give me a second. I actually forgot that I have that view. I just realized I had another view. We're gonna look at that view now. All right, so we do that. That doesn't do it. I know I shouldn't edit scenes and shit, but that's what I'm gonna do because why not? I'm assuming it's just me and Zanny here. I'm sure you don't mind, Zanny. Yeah. It's kind of cool. It's not cool yet. I need to do something to make it. I'm trying to fix it. It's jacked up. That didn't do it either. Maybe if I make it bigger. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Oh no, that's fucked up too. No, that's. All right, I'm gonna have to manually do it. I was trying to avoid manually resizing this. I hate doing that. There we go, maybe. I almost got it. There we go. All right, look at that. Look at that. It seems happy now. Now I'm gonna go to another scene so I can fiddle with it more. Let's move that to the left. All right. We can come back here. There you go. Now that looks a little bit different. Quit vaping. eating around twice as much as usual. So weird and unexpected. Well, you eat twice as much. Oh, man, I need to stop eating. I just ate. Oh wait, did I just eat? No, I just drank a cup of apple cider, the sparkling apple cider, which is basically sugar water. It's worse than eating. I should have ate. That would have been a better thing to do. All right. I am working on a dock. That's what I'm working on. It's right here. It's coming together, and then I have my outline for the second section of the dock that I want to see how far I can get along. But all of this so far, I think it's done. I mean, I'm gonna have to go back and review it, make sure, you know, do a little bit of refinements, maybe add some additional info here and there. But I want to say I've gotten most of this out of the way. Yeah, I'm just going to assume I've gotten most of it out of the way. So I have this app over here. You know, it's hiding. Wait, man, my computer's laggy as hell. My gosh. I cannot wait until I can get a new Mac Pro or Mac Studio, whatever this computer is that I have. I need this M4 Ultra. This is not cutting it. And I also need Pro Motion 6K. I need another Pro XDR monitor. Apple, they're just, I don't know what they're doing. All these laptops, iPads, they put it in an iPad. Like, who the hell needs an M4 and an iPad? I don't know. All right. Anyways, like I was saying, I need to do some of this stuff. So I have like assign a user, introduction, section. Yeah, I'll do some things. Okay, so I'm introducing the user here. So maybe I should go to my editing. Introduce users and subscriptions. I'm already doing that, so I don't need to say that again. Enable subscription with a prompt. Oh, okay, all right. Enable. Okay, this is an overview of what I've just done up here. So I got to write this out eventually, maybe. Okay, assign a user ID. Let's open up Xcode. Just not this one. Let's just close this. It's confusing me. I'm taking a bunch of screenshots, so I have to keep the size of my window the same. So it's gonna be a little strange, but yeah. And if you're watching this and you're like, hey, I actually want to be able to see the code that you're looking at because it's tiny, let me know and I can go to this right here, you know. And you can do that, you can look at it, or you can pinch and zoom, maybe. I don't know, try it out. Let me know how it works. All right, so this is the login, and man, I'm gonna have to change my application. That's what I didn't want to do. I'm not gonna change this application. What I'm gonna do is go to my view model and kind of copy that code and just show as if it is working. Like, I'm just gonna show how you would do it. Roscoe, you and that click clacking. God dang it. He only does it when I'm doing this. Okay, so let's show the function in context. So this will be, what language is this? Swift. And yes, you have to search for it this way. You can't just type it. That would make too much sense if you could just type it in. All right, here we are. And then I also need one for Objective-C. All right, So in either case, this would be some view model, right? Like however you log in. So we'll say view model. Oop, wait, what? View model that handles login, user login. Something like that, you know? And we'll just write a little view model. Maybe I'll even stylize it a little more like that. I don't know why I'm writing this here. It's as if I don't have Xcode. So let me just go to Xcode and do it there. It makes a little more sense. All right. So in this case, I want to say it's in my auth. Or maybe it's not. What else could it be in? Would it be verification maybe? Yes. Okay. All right, cool. So what we'll do is we'll have a view model, you know, which I've already kind of typed most of the stuff that I need. And then we'll do this login right here. And most of that's going to get deleted. So it's a little weird, but I only need that right here and this right here. And then somewhere here, I can just be like, all right, wave hand, this is your authentication system, you know? All right, so this is going to be login, or I'll say authenticate. I'm using the word login a lot, so we'll say authenticate. User from your backend. Well, we'll just say on your backend. All right, and then here is where I'll kind of just hand wave and say, all right, we'll say let user ID equal, I don't know, authenticated user. Not user ID. Something like that, I don't know. We'll just call this app state user or something like that, you know. Or you can pass in username, password, something like that. What is it? Username. Is it? Yeah, I think it is username. It would be username, but I wouldn't pass it like that. We'll just say username. Password. Okay, we do that. And that returns a user, you know, in our little fake system. And we get an ID like that. I getting double ghost keys? Yeah, system. All right. We'll need to do that, you know, for some other thing, for the Objective-C. Ideally just after user. All right, cool. So this is, we're good. I don't have to, actually, maybe I add a little more context here. So I can dump that. Use whatever identifier in your system. Yeah, kind of captured that. If you want to log in and a user is tied to non-user. Oh, if you can't log in to a user, their subscription is tied. Oh, this is just context. Okay. This is where info user should go. Oh, okay, I'm gonna introduce users here. All right, cool. User. What is a user? Should I do it that way? Should I do it as a question? I don't know. Wait, is it external ID, really? Oh, no, it's not. Okay. So I had to throw some words here. So I imagine whatever the hell I just deleted may have been, oh wait, no, never mind. Yeah. So I may take some of whatever this is and throw it up here as words. Like, here's a user, what is it? I'm gonna say think about for now. I don't know if that's the word I want to use, but I'm gonna say think about. I'm gonna underline it so I know. Actually, I'm gonna strike through it so I really know that I don't necessarily want that, but that's kind of the gist. So our user model allows you to think about users. Not their subscriptions. These are devices as well, but we'll just say subscriptions. Entities who own subscriptions. Multiple identities, maybe. If I can spell right, identities. Once it will have multiple. User wants to have multiple identities. That are used to refer to the user. Actually, I think there's a way to define that somehow. There's like a definition in this thing. Is it glossary maybe? Shit. There's a way that you can like look up words. I just don't know how you do it. Damn it, man. I really need to know how to do that. Oh man. Oh well. Yo, what's up, Kazagonis? How you doing? We'll just bold it for now. We'll bold it for now. One signal ID. I'll use one signal ID, which uniquely identifies that a user. One signal. I don't even need to say one signal. We'll just say a user. Cool. Users have one signal ID. Alright. Additionally, users can be assigned and optional. I'm not actually gonna go with this because this is passive right now. I don't like writing a passive voice, but I need to get kind of like thoughts out more so that I can then go back over it and refine it and continue to do that over and over again and go get my screenshots if I need that. Yeah, I'm working, doing good, finishing up some stuff at work. Well, I'm working too, kind of, but I don't know. It's cold. That's the thing. It's cold here now. It's just, I don't know. If it were warm, I would probably be out riding. Real talk. Ah, shit. Where did I go? Additionally, users can optionally be assigned an internal I'll just say an external identifier because there is a definition for it somewhere. External ID. It's 1 degree here. Is that in Celsius or in Fahrenheit? I don't know what it is here. I haven't looked. It's 12. So it's not, I mean, it's not that bad. But it's, I don't know. I don't need to be out there. So I'm not going to go out there. Tomorrow it's supposed to be nice. It's going to be, assuming that it doesn't rain, it's a high of 25. Same for Sunday. It's a high of 26 and a high of 26 on Monday. So I may end up spending the weekend going out riding, getting some additional content. Try to get some stuff edited. Do you use, no, well, I'm gonna just copy it from here. I'm like, do you use, what do you call those things? Semicolons in Swift, but I don't think you do. For imports, at least. Okay. So yeah, this needs to be, you know, kind of refined. And then I still need to define kind of what a user is in more detail, I think. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. This is where info user entity. Okay, I've already done that. Introduce alias. Okay, all right. I'm kind of doing that. These are just notes at this point. I'm gonna call it OSID just to make my life easier. So OSID is reserved, read only. And ESID is reserved for your use. Where do I want to use? It's not on demand. Is it on demand? Create alias, custom alias is on demand, maybe? I'm gonna use on demand for now. Because again, this is kind of notes. I wanted to get this thing right here out. So now I've removed that point, so I only have this one thing to do. which I'll figure out what I'm gonna do with that. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with that yet. I'll save it for now. All right, and this is same kind of thing, just like what I just did here, expand it out. And then we'll go back over it and, you know, just keep doing it until it looks decent. So all of this right here, all of this started out just like that. Okay, so we want to show these functions in context. So this will be in some view model, most likely. All right, so what is this app that we're doing? There could be I'm trying to think of a good use case, like a tag that I can use that is not just dumb. I don't want to put X and then 0 as a value. I want to, you know, put something more usable, more useful. I suppose I could use the name. Like I could just use first name as a data tag, even though I don't really want to. I'm going to do that though. I'm going to do that. So let's do first name. We're going to use first name as a data tag. That's going to be the thing that I'm going to do. So I'm going to have like a data model where I guess I can, I don't know, I can like update my name or something. I don't know. And then as a part of that, I'm going to add a tag for that person's name. I don't know, something dumb. Coming up with examples like this is like contrived examples is very difficult for me, at least. Because it needs to be something that's simple for most people, but I don't know what that is. Because like just because it's simple for me doesn't mean that it's actually simple. Oh, actually, you know what? Maybe I'm going to extend this thing right here, my auth view model. So now I got to figure out like, what could I do? Maybe I can have a login, like just logged in, you know, and then be like, oh yeah, they take themselves seriously. I don't know. I don't have any good ideas for an example anymore. I thought I did. We're just gonna go with my view model thing. So this right here is going to be like add name, give name, set name. Is it capital string in this language? Wait. Oh yeah, it is capital string. All right, cool. So we're gonna do that. All right. And then somewhere in here, we're gonna call our, I don't know why I'm authoring this. I should be doing this in Xcode because the formatting is gonna be all weird. user add tag, and the key. What is the key? I guess it'll be first name or just name. Yeah, we'll just say name. And we'll pass in that name. So this will add the thing, and then maybe I'll have another one for update language. Oh my, what the fuck? How did it do that? Kind of want this to be, I'm gonna have two languages. You can either be like set language to English. I want to show this explicitly. It's dumb, like no one would ever do this, but most people aren't building apps to show other people how to build an app. It's kind of different. What I'm doing. So we're gonna do English, and then we'll do another one for language for Spanish, Espanol, and we won't have this crap anymore. Screw that. That's dumb. And we'll close that out. So this is going to be EN, and that's going to be ES. And the point of it is that it's like there's a button, you tap it, you know, if you tap ES, it sets it to ES, and that sets your language. So now I can delete these. That's the whole reason why I was doing all that. And I may split these. Yeah, I'm going to split it. Never mind. I'm not. Your work streams at night are now my favorite stream. Oh, appreciate it. Thanks. I don't feel lonely working from home all night. You work from home too? I'm curious. Is that do people get lonely working from home alone? I've been working from home for a very long time. Like COVID isn't the reason why I'm working from home. It's been over a decade. In fact, my first company that I worked for out of school, even though I worked in an office, my team was remote. I was actually the first college hire in that company's 30-year history. And I had they put me on special projects. I worked directly with our CTO in Reston, Virginia. I wasn't in Reston, Virginia. I worked with some of our principal engineers in DC, Virginia area, and also worked with some of the managers, practice managers. So I did all kinds of things. I was never on a team where my team was around me. So I've always been fairly remote, and all of my managers, maybe they trusted me, so they allowed me to do stuff from home. I think I'm more productive working from home, but not in the way that is in classical way, right? Like some of my work requires creativity, and it's not just, I don't know how to explain it, but some of the things that I do just requires me to be able to walk around and think. That's where most of my work happens. It's like pacing around, going out on my balcony, walking around, and like I'll think about what I'm gonna do, like figure out the problems and all that kind of stuff, and come up and do it, and then rinse and repeat. So that's why I wanted to get some of this done, because while I was walking my dog, I was like, oh yeah, I actually know what I can do. So what y'all don't see is all this other stuff. So all of this was done. Wait, where was it? All this test stuff. All this was done earlier, before I started streaming. And I was like, oh yeah, and then we started streaming this. So that was a whole hour and a half of me being productive, and you can kind of see it at the 7:32. Yeah. So anyway, after I got to that point, I was like, yeah, let me do a little bit of cleanup. Let me do some other stuff, and then let me try to get this started. Okay, so this is where I kind of want to touch on segmentation here. So, function context. Okay, so we're showing the functions, and we want to be able to add tags. So we're doing that here. Wait, what do we call it? Do we call it audience or user? I forgot. Oh no. No, I guess I should call it users. Oh wait, is it users? Subscriptions. Yeah, it is users. Okay. I wonder what is my example. Oh, it's a personalized. So maybe I want to say that there's two ways. It's you could use it for segmentation, but you can also use it for personalization.
Actually, I don't think I need to say anything again. I'm gonna leave that there, and I'll expand on that later, maybe. Shit, I need to talk about journeys too. All right, so I don't want to use name anymore because I want to create a segment. So I want to show that now. So this is going to be a whole new thing that I wasn't intending to do. So we'll need to like show creation of segment. And then I want to add the user, like add the tag to the user. So we'll like add the tag to the user. These are for screenshots, by the way. Maybe I should do that screenshot. I do this. This is the way I work. Some people may find it confusing. I tend to write my notes and my drafts and my finished documents in the same document. It's like I will write down like my random ass thoughts, like just stream of conscious type shit. Like I'll just dump that in there in random ass places. I can keep track of where I'm dumping shit, so it works for me. I've been doing it for however long I've been writing, which is a while. It's been at least 3 decades that I've been writing. All right, so we're going to show the creation of the segment. We're going to add a tag to the user, and then we want to show status, or show no users in segment. Then we want to go back to segment and show user is now there. Okay, so that'll be that part. And then I think I also want to do just set the language, but I don't think I need to say go anywhere to see that. But I am going to do that. This will give me an opportunity to say go to the user, and then we can go to the user profile. So yeah, I want to show user profile. And the way I'll do that is by saying go back and set the language. So we'll set the language. Does your job have an office near you? No. No. If I'm not mistaken, I was the first person in my city that was hired at my company, I think. Now, there are a few other folks who live in Houston Metro, which is a very large metropolitan area. I think it's like 8 million people in here, or 6. I don't know. It's a lot. It's lots of millions of people here. I don't think any of them live near me. The closest person lives in Meyerland. But no, we don't have offices. Now I have a co-working office at my gym at Lifetime Fitness. We have co-working office there since I was a founding member. I get access. I don't have to pay the $300 a month for access to the office, which is kind of dope. All right, so I'm going to go back to that and set the language, and then I want to go back. Yeah, I want to go to the dashboard. So it's dashboard. All right. So this on the dashboard too. And that will be on the dashboard. Okay, cool. So this is going to be a bit of a flow similar to this, where it's like, all right, you know, we're going to build the thing, run the thing, go to the dashboard, do something. All right, now go to the app and do this action. All right, now go back to the dashboard and observe this change. Now go back to the app and do this other action, and now go back and observe this other change. That's the flow that I'm kind of like game planning out here. And then that'll be for this step here, right? And then once I get those screenshots and whatever other stuff I might need to do, I'll try to write up a little bit of prose. I'm writing the way I would talk. That's what I'm calling prose. But you can call it whatever you want. Like, I'm gonna put some words, and then we gotta do the same thing for 3 and 4. And then, like I said, I've been saying it. I gotta come back and just sweep again. I normally just iterate until I'm like, okay, I'm sick of looking at this. So now I'm wondering, like, would this be enough? Do I have to create, if any of you just saw this and you were like, all right, this person's saying view model, do I need to show the actual view for you to somehow tie the two together? That, hey, there is potentially a button. Like, do you have to see the word button somewhere for you to know that it's a button? It's stuff like this where I'm like, I don't know. Because all of this is like trivial shit to me. I'm like, I don't, this is like, I shouldn't even need any of these instructions. So what I would end up doing is just like making a fake view and just dumping it over there and making it seem, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna just do it. But no, I don't want to do it. Because if I do it, then I have to also do the same thing for Objective-C. I want to be lazy. I'm not going to do it. I think I have everything that I need to do here. All right, let's go create a segment. Oh, wait, before I create a segment, I need to figure out what am I creating a segment on. You know what? How about favorite color? You know, that's awesome. Yeah, that's creative. So we're going to say update favorite color. I think that's how you would do it. And then you say color, and we're going to do it as, we're just going to do it as a string. I'm like, maybe I should do the enum, but I don't know if I can get a name out of, actually, let me just check. See, color, enum. Is it, what, gosh, what is it then? Color Swift UI. Okay, is there a way for me to get a string out of this? Description. I thought I just saw a description. I literally just saw it. Here we are. All right. Perfect. Yes, I can do that. So here's what I'm going to do. wherever I was just typing code. I don't actually know where I was just typing code, or if I wasn't. Okay. We're gonna make up something here. Maybe here. Yeah, this right here is fine. Okay. So we'll do func A, and then we'll do that color, something like that. And I think I said we was gonna call it update color, or no, yeah, update favorite color, update favorite color. Take a color. Okay. And then inside of here, we'll basically do this one signal user add tag color something. Tag favorite color. Like that. And then we'll take the color like this, and we'll get the description like so. All right, so that'll give us the favorite color. I can just copy that. So we're not doing, wait. Yeah, so this goes away now. What's that? And this is why I'm like, I should be doing this in whatever the thing is, the other thing. See, the problem is that I don't want to share. I don't want to create a button in the view, because then I would have to like defer to there. I want to be able to just call set. So yeah, I'm gonna just say set preferred language, English. Or wait, no, not. I'm lying. Set English preferred language. And then we'll do nothing. Man, Xcode, I really don't like Xcode at all. It's not good. Just copy this. And then we'll do Spanish. ES. There we go. And now I can stop complaining about it. All right, perfect. Now I have a data tag that when I tap the thing, it's going to set it to my favorite color. And if I want, I can create my segment on people whose favorite color is the color that I'm going to do, orange probably. And then what do I want to do after that? Where's it at? And then I also want to do like my little use case of setting my language. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to style my notification. Can I do that? I may customize my notification based on my data tag, the color, and maybe I'll just set the background to that. Maybe we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. So I gotta go and create a segment now. So let's go create a segment. And I guess I'll rotate that key that was just shown. Okay, sure. I guess I'll delete the key. Sure. So it's just gonna show it to me again. All right. I said I want to create a segment, so we're gonna go here. And I gotta make sure I'm gonna take screenshots, so I'm gonna have to redo all of what I'm doing here in another browser. And like, you know, stage it up, make sure things look the way that I want. So I want to create a new segment. I'm in my dev role. Okay, so we'll do new segment. Where's my tag? Okay, in tags. Okay. Oh, wait. Whoa. Why did it do that? Okay, user tag. I am not going to show the step through of clicking it because the point of this guide isn't how to do something on the dashboard. It's really just kind of testing. So I'm gonna kind of assume that developers can figure it out. All right, so this is going to be my people who like orange lovers. How about that? Orange lovers. Lover. Okay, so the key, I've already forgot the key that I said I was going to use. I gotta go and find it in my example. Favorite color. Yeah, favorite color. Favorite color, and that's going to be orange. Like that. And we'll create the segment. But before I create the segment, I'm not going to create it. I'm going to copy this and come over to my little browser right here. Dump that here. Cool. So we're going to do a new segment and we're going to call it Orange Lovers. Orange Lovers. User tag key. This will be, I've already forgotten, favorite color is orange. All right, cool. So I want to take a screenshot of this. That's why I'm like to make sure I do that. All right, create that segment. We'll call this create segment, and this is going to be my originals prereqs testing. Folder. This is a recommended setup. What is this? I will throw this in originals for now. I don't know what because it's, maybe I want it, maybe, I don't know. Okay, so I have my whatever that is, I have that. So let me just throw some, I'll put this here. Yeah, I'll put that there. So I'll say image. Before I do that, let me go and resize it. So we'll go into recommended. All right, and we'll go ahead and add that now. And I've already, oh, here it is. I'm like, I already forgot what. Fuck, I gotta take the screenshot again. Shit. Okay. Okay, fuck. Let's delete and redo it. What did I call it? orange lovers. Okay. Is this user? Yeah, this will be users, right? Yeah, users who love the color orange. Okay, so we got that screenshot. Show no users in this segment. Yes, I did that. Perfect. Okay. So none of these, all of these are placeholder images. All right. So none of them have the annotations that I'm going to have to come back and do. Right. So what I'm doing now is just getting, here's the image. I have the high res originals. I'm just throwing in the processed half size for now for fast loading. And then when I get all this stuff done and I get my words right, the way that I'm happy with, I can go back in and add annotations into my images. I already have my my alt text, so that makes my life easy. And all I do is just come in here and just replace the image. So it's not that difficult to do, but I like to do it in steps. Otherwise, yeah, otherwise, I don't know, it can feel like an insurmountable task to get all this stuff done. It's a lot. Show creation of segments. Okay, so I've done that. We'll get that out. Add the tag to the user. Add the tag to the user. Okay, so this. I need to go back to the app and take a screenshot. Something like that. Creation. Why wait? Okay, sure, whatever. Oh wait, no. I can't say return to the app because I'm not stepping them through building an app. So this is all hypothetical at this point. Yeah. So this should all be like suppose type stuff. Yeah. I wonder if I need to show this view. I could create the view. I could do that. I'm gonna describe it for now. I don't want to go and make code stuff now. So suppose you have the following data model. connected to a view responsible for accepting a user's favorite color. What just happened? Did I just lose all of what I was? Wait, what? Oh yeah, here we go. So we're gonna have a text box or selection. Is it called the select list? What is it called? What is the control called in iOS that allows you to select an item? I don't know if it's a regular list. Item list? A select list, maybe? Yo, what's up, Cruz? Azari. How you doing? I am trying to figure out what something is called. Maybe you know it by the description. In iOS, there is a control that allows you to like select from a finite list of options, like just a list of options. Like it's like I don't know what it's called. I'm trying to figure out what that's called. So I'm just going through here and hoping that I'll see something that like it'd be like, oh yeah, obviously that's it. You know? If you know, let me know. No, it's not editing list. Is it a stepper? No, it's not a stepper. A picker. I think that's what it is. Yes, a set of mutually exclusive. Of course, fucking Apple has to call it something fucking. I call it a select list, like a selection, a list, a select. It's fine. I found it. I figured it out. It's a picker. Something that you would never just guess. Oh yeah, it was a picker. See, one of these things right here. So we're going to say, suppose we have a picker or something like that for our favorite color. Where is my doc at? It was somewhere here. Here we are. Okay, so first thing we're gonna have is a picker. To all right, and then we'll have a toggle. I'm using supported as a cop out, supported language. Because it's like, it's not the language that they speak necessarily. It's just a language that's supported. It may be the language that you speak, but it has to be. That's why. I can teach you a lot about cop out words. Not saying that it's because I use them a lot. It's just that I read a lot and I also pay attention to what people say. And I've noticed that people use certain words as cop out words, especially in the legal field. It's interesting. Lots of cop out words in that field. All right, so we're gonna have that toggle to allow the user to select their whatever the thing is, and then I don't think I want anything else. Yeah, we'll just have those two things. All right. Right. So I may end up making this, or not. For now, I'm just gonna rely on this description, and then I'll clean up later. So we're going to use this to do the personalization, so I don't need to call that out here. So I'm going to create the whatever this is, the segment, and then I return to the app to do the thing. So okay, shit. Yeah, I'm going to have to make the thing. I don't even have to say return to the app. So we'll say back in the app. All right, this is right. This is going to be a screenshot. That's why it's kind of like vague and seems like it's dumb. So add the tag to the user. That's what that's going to be. So that's done, kind of. Dashboard, go back to the segment, show the user. Okay, so now, shit, now I had to actually go and do something. Fuck. So here's my problem. This app that I'm using, I'm kind of just like making stuff to fake it, but now I have to actually make my UI work. And I'm not going to change this app to do that because this is a demo app for something else. So I may have to make a new app. And I really don't feel like doing that. Or I can be smart for once in my life, and we'll go to the here. We'll just make a new, what do you call it? A new branch. Yeah, I'm gonna make a new branch. So we'll do new branch, and we'll call this getting started. We'll say for docs. Bring those through. Cool. So now I can have free reign to do whatever I want. I don't care anymore. So with that in mind, because I no longer care about things, I need to figure out what is. All right, so I'm going to my content view first. All right, let's go to my content view. And then in content view, I'm doing this. So I no longer want to do this. All right, so I'm kind of going to just comment that out. And we're going to do a picker. In fact, I'm kind of just going to take the example that they have and just steal it, hopefully. Oh, shit. Why is it doing that? Okay, so we're gonna, all right, so right now is whatever this is, we're not gonna do this. We're gonna do something else. So my selection, where's my selection at? I just saw it. Oh, here. So this is no longer gonna be that, it's gonna be a color. All right, and then we'll just get rid of that. And it could be none, maybe. So we'll do that. Equal nil. All right, and then shit. I'm only gonna allow for a few colors. So we'll do like that. Let's say color dot red. Shit, red. Come on, why is it not? Is it really? All right, dot description. So we're gonna do that. Why is this tripping? It's because of that, maybe. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna do that. All right, and we'll put orange in here because I need to make sure I have orange. And we'll only do one other color because I'm lazy. What's a good color? Blue. How about that? Description. And let's change this to color. Favorite color. And this will be also color. All right, and now none of this flavor crap. So this is going to be color red. This will be color orange. Actually, I don't even think I need to do that. I think I should just be able to do this right here. Yeah, it's strongly typed. And this will be blue. All right. Now let me get away with that. Nah, it's not happy with that. Yeah, it's not happy with it. So. I use the iPhone mirror all the time. Yeah, I'm not using that shit. That's it just seems like if you're wait, hold on, whoa, what? I wonder if I had to select the color, or can I have a none? How about that? Hold on, give me a second. We're gonna do this right here, and can I say nil? And then we'll just say something like that. Can I do that? Select color. I wonder if I can do this. I'm gonna be happy. Yeah, so wait, hold on, it's not happy. Well, that's interesting. Huh. What if I set this to color not red? I just need it to look right. It doesn't need to behave right. I just need to look right. I'm taking a screenshot. Okay. All right. This is good enough. All right. So what I would end up having to do is creating a like a label or something, you know, maybe make it look slightly okay. And then the other thing I said I was going to do is what was it? The language, a toggle. I think a toggle is a thing. This is annoying. Where is dash? For whatever reason, this is not, it's not showing across all well, not dashboards, but desktops. Anyway, the reason why I'm not interested in that the iPhone mirroring is because that's literally sharing your screen to another thing across the internet or a network. So it's like, if you can do that, that means that someone else can. That's how this works. There's nothing that you can do on your device that someone else can. So this is a capability that I don't even want, I want no part of, or no part in. I'm good, I will pass. I have made it this far without it, and I've accomplished a shit ton of things without all of that. So that tells me that I can continue to accomplish a shit ton of things without these modern day conveniences, which I think are just forms of control to, you know, limit what you can do in the end. Oops. Okay, so we're not going to do this vibrate on ring. We're going to say, oh man, you know what? We'll just say speak Spanish. How about that? Spanish speaker. Want Spanish. How about that? And that'll be false. And we'll just copy whatever the hell this is. Yes, right. I could theoretically type the couple of characters myself, but I should have actually. Wait, wow, that was interesting. That completed. Normally, Xcode doesn't give you any help. It only does opposite. Okay, I don't like the way this looks. So I'm going to have to throw this in like a... let's do some padding. See what I mean? Like, Xcode normally doesn't give you any help. It's just like, nah, fuck you. Let me delete that. Make sure I'm adding things to the right thing. Oh, that's my fault. So we're gonna do a VStack. And padding. It's better. All right, so we got a little toggle action, got a little whatever this is. Okay, so now my view model, which I'm just gonna kind of like make up right here. So we'll call this my view model. How about that? We'll just call it the view model. And this is going to be an observable object. Oh, look at that. It knows. Okay. So only thing that I really need to do is take these states out. I don't want the state here. Actually, I want it to be inside of my view model. And I don't think I need state anymore. I think it's I don't think I need to do anything. I think I just need to make it public or published or something like that. I think I should just be able to do this right here. Oh shit, I'm doing the wrong one. Haha, I'm done. Not that. Oh, this is annoying. Throw that there. All right. And then we can have a function to do the thing. So I already have that. So I'm kind of going to just copy it over. All right. All right, we need to import one signal. None of this code is going to be shared. This is just so I can create this view over here so I can take a screenshot of it. This is the kind of stuff that I have to do. It's like, sometimes the thing that I have to do is the most simple thing, but I have to go through the most just insane stuff to get it. So this is one of these things where I am going to have to build this app up a little more so that I can take a screenshot. So I can be like, oh yeah, do this, and then move on. And this is literally throwaway code that I'm writing so that I can produce a screenshot. Yeah, fun times. Okay, so I thought I imported one signal framework. I did. Add tag. Okay, so I'm missing key, I guess, or is it value? Maybe that. Does it actually want me to have the word key in there? Oh wow, look at that, it does. Okay, fine. All right, so I'm just going to create my, what do you call this thing? My view model. All right, so we'll create the view model and then we'll just get rid of all that. Selection, view model. Wait, why is it called View Model Store? What the hell? Just call it VM. Oh, no wonder. I called it View Model Store. View Model. Alright. Is it published? Is this the one I need to do? I've actually forgotten. God dang it. They changed it. It used to be something else, but maybe I can figure it out here. No, I shouldn't have to do anything. It's just observable. Ah, no wonder. Haha. Apple is giving me the wrong stuff. I should be using observable. This is it. So now I want to say this should give me back the select the color. Why can't I do my little of that action? Why does it not let me do that? See, I don't think I should have to do that. Yeah. But let's see if it'll give me the type now. Okay, yeah, it's happy with that. Sure. All right, fine. I'll take it. And no, it's not really happy with it. Oh, wait. No, it's not really happy with it. It's not actually doing the things. Accessing save value outside. Install users result. There's a way that you could do this. I forget how you do it though. There is a way you could do this. Shit, I forgot how you do it. This is the problem of always working on all these different platforms. Excuse me. I need to go get some to drink. I'll be right back. I need to go get some to drink. I'll be right back. I just realized I was muted, but oh well. So what I'm thinking now is I want to show the user, and that's kind of what's giving me an excuse to do it here. Now the problem, wait, what just happened? What was that? The problem is I don't yet have a known user. All right, like I have, wait, is this it? 12. This can't be it. Oh, no, this is it. This is it. It's kind of confusing because, like, I don't know why we have a channel for a user. Yeah, actually, I don't know why do we have a channel. Okay, all right. I've shared that. So we got my whatever this is. So I want to take a screenshot of this, I think. But before I do it, I want to confirm that the ID matches, and it doesn't. Yeah, I knew it. 8A. This is whatever this is. I am seriously contemplating faking it because the subscription ID is the only thing that's showing. The one signal ID can be whatever I want it to be. I'm going to fake it. I think that's what I have to do. So I have the screenshot, and I'm going to use AI in this to get it out. All right, so we'll open this up and let's use some AI. Look at that. We'll copy that, and then we'll just use some ingenuity. First, I'm gonna make sure I have, okay, yeah, good, we're here. All right, come here. Where is 830C cancel? Oh wait, hold on. We don't even see the subscription. Oh, look at that. That's even better. I don't even have to fake anything. Oh yeah, this is good. Yeah. So let's take the screenshot. All right, cool. So now this shows the user.
it would be dope if it showed the segments I was a part of. But we have all of the things that I've done. Okay, all right. Let me confirm what I need to show over here. Let me close that. What did I say I wanted to show? Okay. All right. Yes. Perfect. I am going to fake it. I am going to fake it. Or you know what? Never mind. I won't fake it. I'll do it for real. But I am going to fake it. Just not in a way that you expect. So I'm just going to choose to not care about this picker thing right here. I'm just going to have a button. Right here. All right. In fact, let me delete all of this. Since I'm not going to show my app, right? I can fake it all. So sure. We'll do one signal user add tag, and the key will be favorite color, and we'll say orange. Okay. Okay, so when I do this, it should update the thing here. So I was gonna just click the thing to add the tag. It didn't add it yet. I had to wait. Yeah, here we are. Cool. So I could have just added it, but yeah, whatever. I'm still faking it because my app doesn't truly do that. It's just me making it seem like I did. Wait, what? Oh, wait, what? Okay, I'm okay. I was just like, wait, okay. Here we are. So this is with the data tag added. What is this? Oh, okay. All right, so the point of this is I want to show them this, but shit, I was supposed to log in first. Damn it. All right, I gotta take that screenshot again. Just gonna make it up. I'm not gonna log in with it. I'm gonna just add it as my external ID. All right. Now I can retake my screenshot.
unfortunately, I don't do any other stuff. All right. And the reason why this is important is because in my guide here, I'm logging in, fake logging in, obviously, but I'm fake logging in. So when I get to here and I'm fake adding these tags and I come to my dashboard and I'm fake looking at my profile, my external ID better be there, because that's what I'm saying. That that needs to be there. So it is there now. That's the attention to detail that I can sometimes bring to things. All right, so this is where my screenshot comes in. Okay. Why can't I see what I'm looking for? Did I already forget the name of it? Oh, okay. I put it in the wrong place. Look at that. Let's move it here. Fine, I'll just upload it this way and move it manually. Oops. All right, my language is English. Perfect. Okay. I think I'm going to call it
on this at least. I don't know. I can edit photo. I don't want to edit the photo. What do I need to do? I noticed that I need to get some work done on my Final Cut Pro template, because I now have version 11 and my template was built with version 10 point whatever. And there are some other things that I figured out that I want to do moving forward. Yeah, let's do that. Maybe I've already done that. Let's see. I remember starting. I don't know if I finished. Templates version. Yeah, I've definitely started. I haven't finished. Are you done working for the night too? Yeah, that's what's up. I'm done working for the night. I say that. I might wake up in the middle of the night and be like, yeah, I'm gonna just get some more stuff done. Cause I'll be thinking about stuff. And then if I'm thinking about it, I want to get it done, you know? It's hard for me to be thinking about something and I'm like, man, like my computer's right there. Let me just go get it done. There are some updates that I've been putting off because I'm working on this guide, and I don't want to update my version of Xcode because I've already, you know, started and I've already pinned down some things. I don't want to have to deal with potential issues. Oh, by the way, unrelated. I've got 2 Fuji X100 to arrive within like this week. So the camera that I ordered, you know, within 2 minutes of the announcement on February 20th that I woke up or stayed up late for because it was in Japan. That camera finally showed up yesterday. It's sitting here. I'm sending it back because I thought I canceled it. And when it was back ordered and they back ordered it again and back ordered again, I was just like, you know what, fuck it, I don't want it. So I gotta go send that back. And then, yeah, I got another email saying that my Sony A1 Mark II that I pre-ordered is now back ordered. So just to give a little bit of context, I got my confirmation email that my order was successful within 50 seconds of, you know, the orders being open. So like they opened at 9:30. I got my confirmation email at 9, like, you know, that same time, but 40 seconds later. And yeah, it's just interesting that I'm back ordered again. So this is now my 4th camera that I've tried to purchase from B&H Photo that I've been unable to secure. It makes me wonder. I'm just like, I don't know. It just makes me wonder. Like, I don't know. I don't think I'm doing this anymore, but I'm gonna keep it. Maybe I am doing it. It goes here. So stuff like colors that I need to get done. Also just like using the right one. I don't know what I've been using lately. It's not here, unfortunately. But yeah, like getting my titles and all that kind of stuff. You know what? Let's do that. Where's my Finder? So I'm pretty sure I did it here. So let's open that up.
and then I can kind of steal some of the stuff that I did that I like. All right, so for one, I need to get my watermark. So that's something I know I need to do. So let's go ahead and import. Actually, we're not going to import it that way. I'm going to drag it into the folder so that it's always here. It'll be a copy every time, but whatever, I don't care. Templates 3. We'll do another one for images. Oh, excuse me. All right. So, wait, where would it be on media? Maybe. Volumes, media. Is it not connected? Yeah, it seems like it's not connected. Where is it here? YouTube. Thought I'd go there. All right, so we'll have that. And then I can kind of just do some of this action right there. All right, so whoa. Wait, what? All right, well, while that figures out something, here's what I want to. Oh, come on now. All right, yeah. So here it is, right here. So all of this is now what I want to have. So whatever that is, this thing right here, this thing right here, and that right there, all of that comes over. Now my computer's freezing, so I'm kind of gonna leave it alone for now. And put in my activation code for this plugin right quick. This is OIC Sounds. It would be awesome if I knew what plugin this was. I could put the right thing in there. Uh-oh. All right, my computer's freezing again. It's doing some weird shit. All right, there we go. It seems to be happy. Yep, cool. All right, I heard some not travels. I'm reading. I heard some noises. After a very long time. That's a very long time. All right. Is it gonna let me interact with my timeline now? See, the problem is that I want this to be attached. How do I explain this?
I want this to be attached to that, but it's not. It's attached to this clip here, I think. Yeah, it looks. Yeah, that's what it looks like. That's something I need to learn more about, is these connected clips, because it's so confusing. Like, this is one of the things that really makes me hate Final Cut Pro. Where? Here we go. Ooh, this is another thing. I need to figure out where these come from. Okay, so these are default sounds, so we're good. Okay. All right. And let's do the other one. Which is this, and this and this. We'll see how that works out. I actually don't know how this is going to work out. Where did I put that? Oh, okay. So it's fine. Okay. Sure. Fine. This should go. Oh, fuck. See, this right here is, it's, oh my gosh. Don't do that. I'm gonna have to put a marker for where it is, where it starts. Or where it should start, maybe. Maybe right there. Maybe it should end right here. Okay, so if I put the little cursor here, I should be able to line it up. There we go. All right. Oh, whoa, wait. I was tripping. I forgot I was tripping. All right. There we go. Yeah, that's good. Sound, I guess, is fine. What else do I normally do? There's the fade out, but I don't know if I need to do anything else. I think that should be good enough. So what I want to do is create another blank clip, which I don't necessarily know how to do that. Blank clip or empty clip. Oh gosh. Okay, fine. Final Cut doesn't seem to be one to let me do much right now. I'm gonna quit it just in case. Yeah, let me quit before I fuck up something.
But yeah, honestly, like that's kind of my updates that I need to do. So now in the future, those videos will be better. I don't know if that's going to be like a tag I use in other stuff. I might end up having to, because I put in so much effort into it, full 10 minutes of effort. Anyways, it's late. It's 10:30 and I'm tired. I've been working all day. So I'm gonna go. If you enjoy this stream, consider giving it a thumbs up. That does help. You can subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of this kind of stuff. You can follow me on Twitch if you want to follow me on Twitch. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the future. Y'all have a good night. Peace.